In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily create, post, and even schedule carousels on LinkedIn. The first thing you want to do is pick your design software that you're going to create these carousels in. I think Canva is a really great place to start, especially for beginners. Simply head over to canva.com, sign on in, and then what you'll see here in their quick options is there is the option of LinkedIn carousel. And underneath that, you actually see it also has the right resolution. If you open this guy up, you'll see a range of paid for and free templates that you can go ahead and start editing to whatever works best for you. I already have a carousel that I created earlier and I'm ready to post this guy on LinkedIn. So I've edited this. You can see I've got about 5 different pages here. Because I've already created this on the LinkedIn template on Canva, it's the right resolution. Once you've created it in Canva, what you want to do is hit the share option and then go down to where it says downloads. And from the download section, you want to change the file type from PNG and actually select it as a PDF standard. And it's going to download all 6 pages. So let's go ahead and hit download. And then let's head over to LinkedIn. From here, what you want to do is select on the option of start a post. And then down the bottom, you can actually see that there are a few options here, including the plus button of more. If we select on more, you have the option of adding a document. And this is where we're going to choose to upload a PDF file. So simply select on choose file, find that PDF document that you just created, and go ahead and let it upload, and then simply add a title to your document. Once it's done uploading, you do get a preview of what that looks like, and you can flick through all of your different pages here and select on done. Next, it's going to ask you to say what you want to talk about. So you can go ahead and add your own thoughts or write something about the post below. If you're happy to post it straight away, select on the post button. Or if you'd like to schedule it for later, it's the weekend right now, and maybe I want to post this on Monday or Tuesday. There is right next to the post option, the little clock called schedule for later. So we're going to select on this guy instead. And then we can go ahead and say, let's schedule that for Wednesday at 3 p.m. and then go ahead and hit next. You can also select on view all your scheduled posts from here if you have a range of posts and you want to edit them. After that, we're simply going to select on next. And then if you wanted to, you can edit one more time what you want to talk about to add some text in, and then simply select the button of schedule. And it is that easy to create, post, and even schedule carousels on LinkedIn.